Ka Dorbar Mangtyngka jong ka ying Dorbar thawain ka jala kan Sdang nadu ka arho Tarik Mynta Bnai Henry Mynta kanti ka jingsong Dorbar kan long tang lai sngi kata nadu ka arho Tarik hadu ka arho Tarik.
Calendar for the reassembled budget session 2020, and the government has proposed a 3-day session, and all the items of those 3 days have been listed, and but a few changes have been made, which is more or less the same, though the items of business have been shifted from one date to the other date. And we will be having 1 day, 2 days government business, and 1 day private members business. So the items which will be discussed on these 3 days were basically the like introduction of government bills, and pending of the general discussion on the budget will be on the first day, and the second day we will be again continue with the general discussion on the budget, where the Chief Minister has to reply on that day, and there will be voting of grants, demand of grants, and also some other introduction and constitution of and passing of the some appropriation bill, and considering the and passing of the government bills as well. The last day we will be having the private members bill, where motions, resolution, and other items, if there's any, will be taken up. So these are the 3-day sessions. So the dates of the session will be on the 20th of May 2020, 21st of May 2020, and 22nd of May 2020. The opposition, basically, they have also agreed the principle, understanding the situations that the state, the country, and the world are facing. So we understand that they understand very well, and we all as a business, the BAC also have really agreed that we don't want to prolong the number of days for this reassembled of the budget session. Reason is because of we would like to maintain the protocol, and guidelines given by the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Home Affairs, and other guidelines also which are in place, and they all agreed that the days that we have already decided will take place. This is also a point of concern, that we have to make some sort of realignment of sittings of all the 60 members in the House, and I have already instructed my officers to go to the House and make some special kind of arrangement this time, and necessary arrangements will be made accordingly.